If you've ever used AI and thought, why are my results so average? It's not the AI, it's how you're talking to it. In the next few minutes, I am going to show you a simple 5-part prompting system that instantly improves your AI results, even if you're a beginner. Most YouTubers use AI like a search engine. They type short questions, get generic answers, and assume AI is overrated. But experienced creators don't ask AI questions. They give AI instructions. In this video, I'll break down the exact framework professionals use to get high-quality scripts, ideas, titles, and content from AI, without being technical or complicated. By the end, you'll know exactly how to structure any AI prompt for YouTube. Let's start with the mindset shift you need to understand first. Section 1. Think of AI as a smart intern. Imagine you hire a very smart intern. If you say, "Help me with my channel," they'll look confused. But if you say, "Write a 60-second YouTube script for beginners about AI tools," they'll know exactly what to do. AI works the same way. The quality of what you get depends entirely on the instructions you give. That's why every good AI prompt has 5 simple parts. I'll explain each one using YouTube examples. Section 2. Number 1. Role. The first part of any strong prompt is role. Role simply means, who should the AI pretend to be? When you give AI a role, you're telling it what level of expertise to use. Bad example. Write a YouTube script about AI tools. Better example. Act as an experienced YouTube scriptwriter for Faceless tech channels. Immediately, the answers become more structured, more engaging, more creator-friendly rule. If you want expert output, assign an expert role. Number 2. Objective. Objective means what you want the AI to do. One clear task. Not help, not advice. Bad example. Help me with my channel. Good example. Write a 45-second YouTube short script explaining one AI tool that saves time. Now AI knows. Script, length, topic, purpose rule. One prompt should have one clear objective. Number 3. Context. Context tells AI who this is for and where it will be used. This prevents wrong tone and wrong depth. Example without context. Write a script about ChatGPT. Example with context. The audience is beginner YouTubers in Tier 1 countries. This script is for a faceless explainer channel focused on productivity. Same topic, completely different output. Rule. Context keeps AI aligned with your audience. Number 4. Constraints. Constraints are the rules. They control length, tone, format, platform. Without constraints, AI rambles. Example. Constraints length, 60 seconds. Tone, calm and friendly. Format, short sentences. Platform, YouTube Shorts. Avoid technical jargon. This tells AI exactly how to respond. Rule. Constraints turn AI from creative to precise. Number 5. Evaluation standard. This is the secret weapon. Evaluation standard means, what does good look like? Weak instruction. Make it good. Strong instruction. A good response should hook the viewer in the first 3 seconds, explain one benefit clearly, and be ready to publish without editing. Now AI checks its own work. Rule. Define quality, and AI aims for it. Full prompt example. Here's a complete prompt using all 5 parts. Act as an experienced YouTube scriptwriter for faceless channels. Write a 60-second script about one AI tool that saves time. The audience is beginner YouTubers and freelancers in Tier 1 countries. Constraints. Friendly explainer tone, short sentences, no jargon. A good script should hook quickly, explain one clear benefit, and be ready to publish. This structure works for any AI task. AI is not magic. It's a mirror. When you give clear instructions, you get clear results. If this framework helped you, use it in your next video, script, or idea. And if you want more simple, practical AI tips for YouTubers, subscribe. The next video will show how I turn one AI prompt into multiple videos automatically. See you in the next one.